Hey, good morning, everybody, and welcome to Breakfast with BU. This morning, we're going to take a few minutes and talk about how you can make your guests feel safe in your facilities. It's important to note, first and foremost, the way you make your guests feel safe really is the new cleaning and sanitation steps you're taking to make sure your center is safe, sanitized, and ready to roll. What we're going to talk about today is how we reinforce this message from a marketing perspective. Guests need to feel safe, some subtly and sometimes not so subtly. So regardless of what direction you choose at your location, the team at Bowling University is here to help. And we've developed some collateral to help reinforce the message. So let's take a look. If you get a chance to visit the new BPAA Reopening Resource Center, you'll see this is the home page. And on there to the far right is the Resource tab. If you click on that tab, you scroll down to the Marketing section. You'll see a tab there for overall guest messaging resources, and that's where we have all of the collateral to help you reinforce the message to your guest. I'm going to click on that here, and you'll see in the download there are three different options there. There's Campaign 1, we're calling that safe, sanitized, and ready to roll. Campaign 2, ready for some good, clean fun. And then I'll talk a little bit, we're actually going to get a chance to show you some samples, a few of the videos that we put together that you can use on your social and digital channels. The safe, sanitized, and ready to roll is for those areas that have the greater restrictions. It's talking more specifically about the things you're going to be doing, temperature check, PPE and things of that nature. Campaign 2, ready for some good, clean fun, is just more of reinforcement with hopefully some cute taglines that says, hey, we are a fun, safe place to reconnect with family and friends. If you click on one of the campaigns, you'll see that there are various files. There's a digital file. There is actually in Campaign 1, we did some images with and without gloves. To be candid, the glove pictures are not very attractive, but in some areas they felt it was important to have that message to reinforce that we're wearing the gloves. And there's also the cleaning without gloves. There are flyers, posters, and table tents as well. And I'll show you some samples in just a few minutes there. But let's take a look at some of the videos that we've had a chance to develop for you.
You sheltered at home like a champ. Now it's time to get back to some good, clean fun while reconnecting with family and friends. New cleaning and sanitization procedures are being used throughout our center to keep everyone safe. Bowling is back.
Are you ready for some good, clean fun? Our team members are trained in social distancing and personal hygiene. Plus, all CDC sanitization guidelines are being followed, along with temperature checks, required social distancing, and appropriate PPE. We're working hard to keep you safe as you reconnect with family and friends. Bowling is back.
So as you can see, you've got a couple different options to use. There are actually 6 different 15-second videos. You can use those on your website. You can use those on your Facebook or any of your social channels, just to reinforce to the guests that you are an awesome place, safe, sanitized, and really ready to roll. I wanted to share with you a couple of the samples just so you get an idea of what the collateral look like. We have the 5x7s that are print ready that you can send to Smart Buy Partner Office Depot, or you can print and cut them yourselves. And this particular one is ready for some good, clean fun. We have the 8.5 by 11 flyers. Again, there is a print ready file that you can print in center, or if you would like, you can choose to send those to Office Depot and they will print those for you as well. Those are the files that are labeled with the bleeds that a professional printer would use to print there. And what I really wanted to show you that I like are these attractive 22 by 28 posters. Again, you won't be able to print these in center, so all of these are print-ready files that you can send to electronically to Office Depot, get these printed at the BPA Smart Buy price, and even have them delivered to your center. This particular one is safe, sanitized, ready to roll, and you'll notice here that it actually lists the bullet points of the more, I don't like to use the term restrictive, but the more encompassing things that you're doing at your center for your guests to make sure that they're safe. You'll see we've got a young lady here that is cleaning some house balls. Again, this is under the safe, sanitized, ready to roll with the bullet points of the things that you are doing. In some parts of the country, the criteria to open back up haven't been quite as restrictive. So in this case, you just want a message to reinforce your guests that, hey, we're a great place to be. are you ready for some good, clean fun, which says that we're clean, we're safe, and we're a great place to be. And you can see we've got some copy here for you. You've sheltered at home like a champ. Now it's time to get back to living with some good, clean fun, reconnecting with family and friends. New cleaning and sanitization procedures are being used throughout the center to keep everyone safe. Bowling is back. And I got one more example here for you to show. A little more of a tagline. Can your kids come out and play? And again, with the copy and a family that is having a great time bowling there. So, as you can see, there are a lot of resources to support whatever operating decisions you make. Reinforcing to your guests that your facility is safe, sanitized, and a great place to reconnect with family and friends is critical going forward. It all starts with your team members executing the procedures that you're putting in place. These are meant to complement and the resources we're providing to you. As always, if you have any questions about accessing these or any items on the Resource Center, you can reach us at education@bpaa.com anytime. Stay positive. Your center can and will be a facility that is safe, sanitized, and a great place to reconnect with family and friends. As always, make sure you're following us on the Bowling University Facebook page for our constant updates, and make it a great day.